Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Wednesday, April the 14th, 2010. Before I go into our analysis, let me tell you, if you're not a full access member, you can go to the website and for free, that's right, for free, sign up. All we ask that you do is you refer a friend. Just say, hey, Bob, go to PerfectStockAlert.com. They rock. And if you're all out of telling your friends, wait for a wrong number to call you, a bill collector, I don't care, and tell them to go to PerfectStockAlert.com. All right, now I only have 10 minutes, so let me go over this. Um, what we have right here is the Dow Jones Industrial Average 4-year chart, and this is every candlestick is 1 week. The market rallied today, but I want to dispel any idea that, oh, we shouldn't be shorting here. We should be shorting here, and I'm going to prove that to you right now. We've kind of gone over a similar version of this before, but we had fundamentals in there as well and kind of made it convoluted. So this is a real simple way for you to look at this. This is the high of 2008 in October, 14,198. Again, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay? The low of March was 6,469, all right? So we have our channel. Our high is here. That's our resistance line. Our low is here. This is our support line, 6,469. Now, we take that difference between these two numbers, and that's 7,729 points. We divide that by 2, we get 3,864. We add that to this number, and we come up with the zero line, the center of this move, okay? That is 10,333. That is the max you should 1 penny below this 10,333 is the last time you should ever buy stock in this market, all right? Now, I'll explain that. Anything below this center line is your buying area. Anything above the center line is your selling or shorting area, okay? That's just how it goes. That's the trade channel. That's what you're looking for when you look at a channel and you're looking to trade it. Now, we are well above the 10,333 line, okay? You will notice as we rallied off this point, we broke the trend line as soon as we crossed it, all right? Smart money knows what they're doing, okay? So when they crossed that line, they started selling. And then we're going higher, they're still selling. I'm still selling, as should you, in my opinion. Remember, the higher we go, the more I want to short. The lower we are down here, for example, if you tip below this zero line, you're in the buy area. But your upside is very small, from 10,000 to 10,333. So it's a very small gain right there. But a day trader could get in there and make some money. And that's probably what a lot of people did. But now you're moving higher and higher and higher, making this even a better short and better and a better and a better. It's going to keep getting better and better. A lot of people are thinking, I'm going to wait for it to start to pull down, then I'll know it's a sell move, and I'll get into it then. You may not be able to, and this is why. A lot of people got analysis paralysis right here. When this thing started selling off, this market started selling off, they didn't do anything. Even Warren Buffett, when he was talking to his shareholders in his letter to them, he said he was sucking his thumb instead of taking action. A lot of people just froze up, basically. Didn't know how bad it was going to be, didn't want to make any major stupid mistakes, so they did nothing. But now that the market has moved back up here, the higher it goes, there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines been thinking, I sat through a really major correction. I don't know if I want to do that again, because there's potential that that could happen again. So rather than take that risk, they may just exit altogether. That's going to put sell pressure on this market. All right. We could also bring in other items that they're going to add sell pressure to this market, including oil, etc. But we're not going to get into the fundamentals. We're just going to look at the technicals here, okay? Now down here, we also have a lot of people that missed buying opportunity. So you got a large group of people down here just waiting for a pullback. If they were given a pullback, they'd be buying, okay? As would I. But as we move higher and higher, I want to be shorting, not second guessing myself, wondering, should I be going long with everybody else? No. Another reason I don't want to do that is that the rules for shorting has changed. The SEC has brought back the uptick rule. So now a stock falls 10% and you cannot short it simply because it has to uptick before you do that. So you're going to have a very small window of opportunity when that selling happens before 10% is gone. All right, it doesn't take long, and a lot of stocks will do it in a day. Okay, so there's a lot of reason there to be adding to your short as you move higher rather than waiting for the selling to start. Okay, that's another one of those little things you need to be thinking about. Always be watching how things could line up or how they could work against you, etc., etc. Also, remember, back in 2008 when we were shorting, we started getting to more and more members who started saying, hey, we can't short this stock. Our broker won't let us. A brokerage firm can only allow you to short a percentage of the overall stock they hold long. Well, there's probably a lot of people going to want to dump their stock, so they're not going to have a large amount of stock to allow you to short, okay? Remember, they can only do a percentage of it. So again, you have that small window of opportunity to get in there if you wait for that selling to start. So again, I would not do that. I would simply be adding to my shorts as we went higher and higher and higher. If I do nothing else, I will make money back at the zero line, okay? 10.333. She's going to have to consolidate there regardless. So even if she moved all the way up here, at the end of the day, she's going to have to pull right back down here to test that breakout, test that this support, which they didn't do. I talked about it in other videos. What they should have done is pull back here and consolidated along this line. They didn't. They rallied straight off of it, which makes this need to be tested. So I am missing absolutely nothing on the bull side. All I'm doing is adding to my shorts, adding to my shorts, adding to my shorts. Now, you're wondering, can she go all the way up to here from here? Because wouldn't it be better to short way up here? Well, the RSI doesn't suggest that. The RSI here was overbought, telling you short here. All right? The market kept moving higher. People were ignoring those bears, saying, no, you don't know what you're talking about. Well, guess what? They did. Down she goes. All right? Now you get down to an oversold condition. People started ignoring that back in here. You had really nice oversold condition. She fell lower. The market ignored the bulls, saying, hey, we're hitting some technical signals. See, here's one, some technical buy signals. You should have been buying all of this. All right. That's what you should have been doing. Now we're hitting 70.9. That's overbought. 70 or higher is extremely overbought. You want to just be adding to that short. That's what I'm doing. Now you know what I'm thinking, okay? Again, if you're not a full access member, go to the website. It's free. We're giving it to you. Just sign up, go in there, see what's in my portfolio, see what I'm shorting, check out our small cap alerts. Another thing that you want to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every new video we post, we send 2 a day. Every new video we post, you'll get in your inbox. You can also follow us on Facebook. That's a really awesome tool there, simply because you get my intraday stuff. Like if I see a headline come out, a bit of news, something like that, that I think is pertinent to my analysis, I'll post it on Facebook or Twitter, and you'll be able to follow us there throughout the day, okay? Regardless what you do, refer your friends. That's always, basically, we're here simply because you have already done that. You share our videos with people. The more you tell people about us, the more successful we are, and the better we can serve our members, the more opportunities we'll have to serve our members, okay? So again, I thank you profusely for making us as successful as you have today. Our success is because of you. God bless and enjoy the evening.